Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we're going to do a quick unboxing for you today on the Asus Republic of Gamers Zephyrus S gaming laptop. So this video, we're just going to kind of open the box, show you what comes with it, and then just kind of let you look at it. We're going to do another follow-up video where we go over the specs a little bit more, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. So starting off, we're going to cut through the tape, which is right here. And we can take a look at what comes with it. Judging from the pictures, I mean, it's a pretty cool looking laptop. It's thin, so that's kind of exciting. And specs kind of indicate that it's really powerful, so we'll have a chance to test that out in our overview video. And slide the box out. Comes well packaged. There's a bunch of foam inside of here. An accessory box on the side, and that's everything. We'll throw the box off to the side, and everything is well packaged. I actually need my knife again, excuse me. We'll cut through the top of this one as well. If you're just buying a computer based on the packaging, this is a good one to look at. Everything is packaged really nicely. Let's start with the accessories here. As you can see here on the top, you've got the Republic of Gamers logo there, and that is really on there. Take off the top, we've got our power brick here. Again, ROG logo. And power cord. Comes in really loud packaging too. You're not going to want to open this one when the kids are sleeping. So we've got standard power cord. Move that off to the side, get rid of the packaging. And let's get to the computer. So it's got kind of this theme going with this angle here. Oh, that's nice. If you look at that, when you open the box, it actually lifts the laptop up out of it so you can pick it up more easily. That's a nice touch. And it's got some heft to it too. It's not a light laptop, which is not a bad thing. It kind of indicates that there's some nice stuff on the inside. So we'll close that up again, set it off to the side here. That was really cool. And paperwork. Some stickers. It's kind of cool. You can take a look at the stickers here that come with it. Do not disturb. And a key fob. I think, yeah. Little ROG key fob. So it's cool. It's got a couple little cool trinkets inside of there. And I'll take the wrapping off of the laptop itself here. If I can figure out how. A+ for packaging, Asus, nice work. And here's the laptop. We'll open it up and show you guys. And actually, oh, see, that goes along with the theme as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from right there, but when you lift up the screen, it actually lifts the keyboard as well. So it kind of gives you an angle to type at, which is cool. I don't know if the battery's going to be charged at all. We'll hit the power button, see if it turns on. Yeah, not charged up. So make sure you stay tuned for our overview video because we'll actually turn it on, take a look at the screen and everything. But otherwise, the keyboard feels nice. The design is cool. It's got a little trackpad off to the side here instead of at the bottom, which is nice, I suppose, if you're playing games because you don't have to, you can have your hands to the sides instead of one at the bottom and one at the top. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. So like I said, we're gonna go through all the details and all the specs in our overview video, have it up and running for you so you can actually see what the screen looks like and see how fast it performs. But that's the Asus Republic of Gamers Zephyrus S laptop that we carry here at Apt. Make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, we're gonna have the full overview video on this one. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you get the update when we have everything up.